So after a long time, TapSwap has now finally allowed us to be able to withdraw our airdrop. But there's still a problem with this. Although I'm going to show you how to withdraw your airdrop to your exchange in this video. But a lot of people has been disqualified from this airdrop and the reason is unknown. I see people making different speculations, and some people even think the reason why they were disqualified is due to the fact that they abandoned the TapSwap bot for a very long time. I'm going to say no because I myself I abandoned it. Yes, I abandoned it. I stopped talking about it, opening the bot, or doing any activity on it at all. The only thing is that I now came back to it again, not to tap anyway, it's just to do my wallet connections and some other stuff. After I heard they were going to be listing finally, and the listing itself is even because Telegram is now mandating airdrops to list after spending some time, blah blah blah. So I think that is why they are even now deciding to list. If not, these people decide to sleep away. So basically, the reason why they are banning people is not really clear. But I'm going to say this. I think one of the main reasons is maybe, I am not too sure. Maybe people that did not pass the quiz. If you notice, they dropped a the time beyond to claim your airdrop that they want to show your allocation. They asked us to do a survey, one survey questions. So maybe that survey might have disqualified you. They might not like the way you answered, or you might have answered wrongly by not reading the questions, blah blah blah. Whichever reasons, I don't know. But I know that I took my time to answer that questions, and at the end of the day, I was still qualified, even though I abandoned the bot for a very long time. But at the end of the day, the reason why they disqualified people is still unknown. Now, to connect your wallet, all you basically have to do is to open up your TapSwap bot. Then you come to this last section here, this drop section, you click on it. And as you can see on my screen, as at the time I'm making this video, only BitGet Exchange is where you can withdraw your tokens to. Other exchanges might be added, we do not know yet. So if you do not want to use your BitGet, you can still wait for them. They can still add others later. Maybe they might add exchange like BitGet, Gates.io, and possibly they might add Binance. We do not know. Or they might still only go ahead to just list on this BitGet exchange. Now, once you come on this screen and you're sure that you want to connect this your BitGet exchange, you tap on the BitGet exchange here, and then you make sure that you have an account on it already. Then I'll now click I have an account. Then I'm going to be needing two things. First of all, my deposit address, TapSwap deposit address, and my UID. So I'll now go ahead and open up my BitGet exchange right now and show you how to copy these two items. All right, so this is my exchange right here, and I don't think any of you should not know how to copy your UID. All you basically have to do is to tap on this menu section or the hamburger button, whatever you call it. It's at the top left of your screen here, and it is basically almost the same for other exchanges. You find them at the top left of the screen. You tap on it, and if you have an account already, you can see this is my UID, looking like an account number. For this BitGet, all I simply have to do is to tap on it, and once I do that, it has been copied to my clipboard. So what I want to do next, before now copying my wallet, in order not to cause confusion, is to head back into my TapSwap bot. Then I am going to go ahead and paste in the UID in this box that is provided. Then I'll head back into my BitGet exchange. And from here, I go back from this section and I want to click on this add funds. So you click on this add funds on your screen here. Once you click on it, you see deposit crypto, you select it. And for TapSwap, the token name is TAPS. So all I simply have to do is to use that search bar, search section to search for TAP. And yes, you can see it. This is the logo here, the second button. Make sure this is what you are selecting, and as you can see it under it is written TapSwap. If peradventure they add other exchange, I don't know whether they are still going to put the name, but what you want to look out for is the logo, and I don't think any of you here should not know the logo of TapSwap. So once you click on it, you can now go ahead and copy your deposit address from this page. And yes, as you can see, they will now be listing on BNB Smart Chain. So yes, I think it should even make more sense if they get to list on Binance. But what do we know? Let's keep watching. So the next thing now is to head back into my TapSwap page. And then from here I can now paste in the address that I have copied. Then I have to check this box. Make sure you read it. I understand that I will lose my tokens if I send them to the wrong address. So make sure the address you copied is correct. And for that, we'll cross check again. And yes, my own address is correct. So I go ahead and click on continue. But before that, you can see they say choose another option. This is to show you that other options will still be made available. If not, I don't think they'll have put this button. So other exchanges will be added soon. And if you want to use them, you can just simply wait on them. Now I click on continue. This is my UID, my address is the amount, my QIC is passed, and then click on confirm. And that is basically how you go about it. So what I'll have to wait for now is the listing day, which is on 14th of February this month. And let's see when they'll do their distribution. So that is basically it. Make sure you join my Telegram channel with the link in the description box of this video and subscribe to the channel to stay in touch for more updates.